Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, this is going to be a 2016 Toyota Sequoia Platinum in the black exterior with the red rock leather interior. Coming down to our wheels, these are going to be the 20-inch alloys riding on Michelin Defender tires. And coming around back, you can see your trailer hitch, power sliding rear glass, power tailgate, parking sensors, the whole 9 yards. Now this one does have around 54,000 miles. So just go ahead and press unlock twice on your key. Go ahead and stick your key in the ignition. 54,338. And it will start right up. So let's check out underneath the hood. Underneath our hood, we have the 5.7 liter dual overhead cam V8. Producing 381 horsepower, 401 foot-pounds of torque, all going to a 6-speed automatic and a part-time four-wheel drive system. Now you can expect 13 city and 17 highway. So let's go ahead and check out that red rock leather interior. Now before coming in, over your inner side mirror, they're going to be chrome accented, turn signal indicators, blind spot monitoring, and they are heated. But you do have those step rails letting you climb into your leather interior on this model. It's going to be the redwood color, fully perforated for heated and vented functions. All your power adjustments down below are going to be connected to the 2-person memory on your door, right with your power windows, power locks, and your storage cubbies. Now to the left of your steering wheel, you also do have your power mirrors folding, the tilt feature, as well as your blind spot monitoring, power trunk, headlight washers, and your dome lights with panel dim. Power tilt and telescoping wheel, also connected to your memory seats. And speaking of that wheel, it's going to be a 4-spoke leather and wood wrapped wheel with your audio controls, Bluetooth voice commands, and your radar cruise right here. Automatic headlights, fog lights, and your blinkers. Over on the right, you also do have your variable intermittent speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Now these buttons over here are going to be for your little helper screen in the middle for various things like your distance to MD, MPG, and such like that. Below that, 4-wheel drive controller, as well as your power sliding rear window and your air suspension with your comfort and sport modes, as well as your locking rear diff and tow haul mode. Coming to your head unit, this is going to be the premium JBL Synthesis head unit, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio and auxiliary inputs, as well as your iHeartRadio, Pandora, and Slacker integration. Going to your apps, that's where your navigation is going to be. It is a full-fledged head unit with destination input being an address, a point of interest, or 6 different presets. Going home, a nice split screen view that you can customize. And below that, your tri-zone automatic climate control with your driver and front passenger temperatures, as well as your rear temperature right here, mode and fan speed, with your tri-stage heated and cooled seats. You also do have your USB and auxiliary audio inputs, 12-volt outlets, and various storage cubbies. With this being your 6-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. Rear view camera right there. Mirrors do tilt. Nice padded, huge armrest with plenty of storage, even storage up on the lid. And your 2 glove boxes over here on this side, 1 for each glove. Up top, auto-dimming rearview mirror with compass and garage home link. Mirror and vanity mirror with adjustable vanity lights. 2 sun visors, and then up top you do have some sunglass storage, conversation mirror, and your power sliding sunroof that is automatic. So we'll go ahead and close that up. That just about wraps it up for the front seat of the Sequoia. Let's go ahead and check out the second row. Coming back here, of course your leather does follow through, as well as all your door panel with your power window, wood accents, and your storage down below. You have sunshades right here. And then we do have the captain's chairs on this model. So hopping in. Behind my 5'9" frame, plenty of room. Dual seat mat pockets. You also do have your rear climate zone and some hookups for your Blu-ray player up top with illumination. You also do have vents and some cornering handles and coat hooks. Going back down here, we also do have some audio inputs, cup holders. Down here, you do have those dual stage heated seats for your outboard seats in the second row. All of your headphones, and this does fold out also for a little workstation and even more storage. And we can briefly check out that third row. And coming into the third row, it's easiest on either side. Just go ahead and lift up on the lever right here and your seat will slide forward, giving you a nice little passageway back here. Now your third row is power operated, so just press and hold your button and it will raise up to reveal your 3-seat bench back here. You do have cup holders and storage on either side with vents, damp corning handles and coat hooks, as well as these sunshades. So let's go ahead and check out that cargo area and we can wrap up our video. And coming around back, you do have the rear power sliding glass, so you can just insert your key right here, twist to the left or right for the respective direction you would like to go. Now power trunk on this model, so just press and hold your key. Will open right up. And there is plenty of room behind the third row, but you can easily drop those via the power operations right here. And then the second row does fold flat as well. Little storage could be right here. Temporary spare tire is located underneath the vehicle. Also do have a 12-volt right here. So just go ahead and press and hold the button on your key, or there's a button over there. But that'll wrap up this 2016 Toyota Sequoia Platinum. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.